Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds, StashAway. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not here to bash the platform. In fact, for many, it's a fantastic way to start investing. But, as with anything financial, there's always another side to the coin. So, let's flip it over and see what we find. The allure of StashAway. StashAway has undeniably disrupted the investment landscape. It's made investing accessible, automated, and seemingly effortless. The promise of high returns with minimal effort is undeniably tempting. But is it too good to be true? Let's break down some potential drawbacks. The hidden fees. While StashAway is upfront about its management fees, there might be other costs you're not aware of. For instance, if you're investing in ETFs through StashAway, you're indirectly paying the ETF's expense ratio. These fees can add up over time. Additionally, while StashAway offers automated rebalancing, frequent rebalancing can incur transaction costs. These might not be explicitly stated but can impact your overall returns. Limited control and customization. One of the biggest trade-offs for convenience is control. With StashAway, you're handing over the reins of your investment decisions. While their algorithms are designed to optimize returns, you don't have the flexibility to pick individual stocks or adjust your portfolio based on market trends or personal beliefs. Lack of diversification, depending on the plan. While StashAway offers various investment plans, some plans might have limited diversification. For instance, if you opt for a single asset plan, your entire investment is tied to that asset's performance. A market downturn in that specific asset can significantly impact your portfolio. It's crucial to understand the level of diversification offered by your chosen plan. Customer support and experience. While customer service is generally good, it's essential to consider the potential wait times and resolution times for issues. Some users have reported challenges reaching customer support, especially during peak periods. Tax implications. Investing through platforms like StashAway can have tax implications. Understanding how capital gains and dividends are taxed is crucial for maximizing your returns. While StashAway might provide some basic information, consulting a tax professional for personalized advice is always recommended. The bottom line. StashAway is undoubtedly a game changer, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The platform excels at providing accessibility and automation, making investing easier for beginners. However, if you're seeking granular control, advanced customization, or a deep dive into investment strategies, StashAway might not be the best fit. Remember, investing involves risks. It's essential to do your due diligence and consider all aspects before making any financial decisions. Always consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.